Arthur, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm shooting over that quick video about how to improve your online revenue. Now, just taking a quick look at your website, you got your header here, your name, Sandoval Flooring Installation, as well as the click to the email, as well as the call now for those quick conversions. Now, just going through your website, gonna be honest, there's not a terrible amount here. You got your testimonials, which you got some great reviews about it, as well as some pictures about some of the jobs you've done. And then it kind of ends right here. So the one advantage that you do have is that this is a website powered by Google, and Google loves their own. Um, what Google also likes is having 1,500 to 2,000 key or 2,000 words throughout your website with a bunch of keywords smattered within. Now, what a keyword is, yeah, is a buyer intent word that people put in to search for your services. So let's take a look behind the curtains to see what's going on with your website. So we use a service called Ahrefs. It allows us to peek behind the curtain to see what's going on. So the two things that we search for are the UR rating, which is Google's strength, which is Google's interpretation of the strength of your website, and then the DR rating, which is Google's trust in your website. Now, because it's a Google website or a website by Google, you got that trust because, as I said before, they love their own. The way naturally you get this is through backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any other site referring back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. A backlink from Wikipedia is going to be a lot less helpful than a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog. And then another important thing, as I said before, are those organic keywords. What your website is known for when people search for your services. And as you can see, your website isn't known for anything. You have no organic keywords, which means you're not getting any traffic to your site, which means you're not getting any money from your site. Now, let's take a look at what an organic keyword is, what a buyer intent keyword is. So, floor insulation Houston. That is a buyer intent keyword, it means someone's looking for that. Now, first thing that pops up are your Google ads. So, what a Google ad is someone who's paying to be on the front of the page, and you're paying per click. It's one of those PPCs. Now, second thing that you get hit by is Google My Business. So this is super important to get onto because 30 to 40% of all people stop right here because these are the top three. They're going to stop at one of these three. So it's super important to get on to Google My Business. Now, next, you're going to hit that organic ranking. So this will be your first competition, Houston Floor Installation Services. So let's take a look at their website. So taking a look at their website, you can see they have that click to call. They have a giant header with a lot of stuff going on. Excuse me. And then as you go through their site, they got a lot of words. They got their process, what they do, a lot of pictures. You're able to go through their gallery as well as their customer reviews, which I don't believe they should have a separate page for that. I think it's a little waste of space. And then it just goes through more what they are and their services. Now, when we put them in Ahrefs, we see why they're the top. So their UR rating is 21, so their strength of a website is pretty good. And their DR rating, not that great, it's at 0.7. Now, the reason that they're doing so well is their backlinks. So they have 586 different links leading back to their site. And another reason is their organic keywords. So these are the buyer intent keywords that I was talking about that people are searching to find their service. So when we're looking at keywords, these are the keywords we're looking for. So the floor installation near me, Not that great because that's very generic. It can be anywhere in the US where people, or anywhere in the world that someone is looking for. But what is super important that they're ranking for is the Houston floor installation services. As you can see, 150 people are typing that a month. And because he's on the first page, position one, he's getting an organic traffic of 46 people just from this one keyword. And then you have flooring installation Houston, 200 people searching that. He's getting 31 people to his site because he's in position two. So those are the style keywords that you're looking for to add to your site. Now, if you were looking to, or everyone's always looking to beat out the competition. If you're looking to beat out Houston floor installation or floor installation Houston, what you'd be looking for is adding those backlinks to prove to Google that you're trustworthy, as well as the main thing is getting that 1,500 to 2,000 or words on your website with those keywords mixed in to let people know that, hey, these are services I provide. And that'll help you start beating out your competition. And as far as the links go, you can just take his. You already have 586 that you're able to utilize. All you got to do is use his, and that'll help boost you up even more. Now, I hope you found this helpful, Arthur. As always, you can always reach back out, and I'm always looking to improve. So if you can leave some feedback, that would be amazing. And you have a blessed rest of your day.